Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I'm excited to tell you about these CYHKEE solar wall lights that we put up. They were just what I was looking for. We got the 2-pack, and I absolutely love that they are solar powered. And installation was super easy. There's no wires we had to deal with. We didn't have to hire an electrician. My husband was able to just screw these right up after letting them sit in the sun for a little while. They come with the light bulbs, and I just love the black matte finish. It really adds a modern aesthetic to our home. We placed one by the front door and the other by the side door. These lanterns and the way they cast the light so beautifully onto the wall have given my house some much needed curb appeal. One big thing that really attracted me to these was the fact that they have motion sensors. It's a really big help to have these lights just pop on when it's nighttime and I'm coming home with groceries, or I just need to try to see my footing as I walk to the door. The 3 modes you can pick from is great. You can have the light stay on continuously or stay on a dim brightness. Then when it detects motion, it will fully light up. Or you can keep them completely off until activated by movement. I appreciate how they charge during the daytime. Then at night, my family and I feel safe having the dark spots lit up for us. And they are also designed to withstand all types of weather. We haven't had any issues with it so far. These are great for some extra security and some style too. I'm really happy with these solar lanterns, and that's my point of view.